The next point, which would be the fourth of Yang Cheng Fu's points, is to distinguish empty and full. Yep. Now, this doesn't just mean mentally distinguish empty and full. It's to separate empty and full and to know empty and full. Now, how that happens is via the changes in the waist. The changes in the waist, or the turning of the dantian, create the yin-yang differentials through the body that create empty and full, or the opening and closing, empty, full, substantial, insubstantial, all of these yin-yang differentials through the body. It does not mean I'm weighted in my right leg, therefore I know that's full and the other is empty. Yes, it means that, but that's only the most basic level. Empty and full is much more than weighted and unweighted. It's more than substantial and insubstantial. Empty and full is really more like the movement of a tide. When the tide moves and it fills one shore and it empties from another shore, and then it fills the other shore and empties from the previous shore. And this movement of qi within the body, creating the yin and yang qi of empty and full throughout the body. So from the most basic, being weight on one leg, not weight on the other leg, or active in one hand and passive in the other hand, to all the variations of opening and closing, to the empty and full of qi and yin and yang qi, must be known, must be separated, must be harmonized, must be balanced. To distinguish empty and full actually comes from the movement of the dantian or the waist.